If you want to safely eject USB flash drive from Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is, for example, you can check notifications. If you still have the notification of the USB device that it was connected, then we can tap on the notification. Actually, we're gonna tap on this arrow over here on the right side to reveal these two options, and we have the eject option. There we go. So now, once it is fully ejected, we can just remove it from our phone. Now, on the other hand, if you don't have the notification anymore for some reason, then we can open settings, then in here choose the about phone option, and in here we need to choose the storage. Once you open the storage, you should be able to find the Unmount USB device option, so we can just tap over here, and there we go. Now we can safely remove the USB device from the phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.